Hey guys, we are super excited to announce the release of the CODNetwork app on Lightfunnels. This app will let you sync your CODNetwork seller account with your Lightfunnels account so that you can import your CODNetwork products to Lightfunnels, and when you sell them, the orders will be synced back to CODNetwork. This app is for the seller accounts, but soon we will also have another app for CODNetwork affiliate accounts. So the app is already available on our App Store. Just go to the Lightfunnels website and go to the App Store and look for CODNetwork. You can also find the app inside of your dashboard by going to Apps, then Discover Apps and look for CODNetwork. So in this video, what we're going to do is install the CODNetwork app, import a product from CODNetwork to Lightfunnels. We will create a funnel for that product, and then we will process a demo order to see how the order is synced back to the CODNetwork dashboard. First, of course, make sure you are connected to your Lightfunnels account, but most importantly, make sure you are connected to your CODNetwork account. Okay, so let's go ahead and install the app on our Lightfunnels account. It is going to ask for some permissions. Go ahead and accept those. And now we are redirected to the CODNetwork account, and you can see that my Lightfunnels account is listed right here. Another way to install the app is just by going to Sales, Stores, and then clicking the Connect to Lightfunnels link that is here. Now, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and import a product. So I'll go to Products, My Products. And in here, I already have a demo product that is added to the CODNetwork account. What I need to do is go ahead and click the plus sign here, and this will allow me to push the product to Lightfunnels. Now in this pop-up, it will ask me which Lightfunnels account I want to connect this to. So I only have one account to connect it. So I'll click Push. And that's it. Now the product is pushed to Lightfunnels. So the product name is Lightfunnels product. So let's go back to Lightfunnels and click Products. And you can see that I have a Lightfunnels product here. Now inside of this product, I can edit it however I want. I can change the name, add some pictures. So for example, let's say this is a phone case, for example. So I want to call it, for example, Awesome Phone Case Demo. And let's go ahead and create a funnel for the product. Okay, so I click New Funnel, and let's choose this Ramadan theme. And I will not include an upsell for this demo. Let's just go ahead and go with this. And let's call it CODNetwork Demo. All right, so I have my product page. Actually, I will use the quick product page to make this quick. So I will just drag the starting page from this one to this one. So I will use this page, and then once the user enters their information here, they will be directed to the thank you page. Okay, so I can delete this and this. I'm not needing these pages here for this demonstration. So inside of this page, I want to set the product to my awesome phone case demo. And actually, this product has 0 in the price. I can set the price to whatever I want. And I will save. And now I can go ahead and preview my funnel. So this is the funnel page. I will exit the preview mode in order to process a real order. So it's going to be a cash on delivery order, and I need to fill this form. So let's go ahead and use this extension to fill the form. And let's call it Yes Sir Test. So this is the lead, and I will buy. And that's it. I'm redirected to the thank you page. Now let's go back to the Lightfunnels account, and I will see in the orders that I have a Yes Sir Test order that happened a few seconds ago. And if I go to the CODNetwork account and go to my leads, I will find that I have a new order here, and I click the inputs. I can see the name and the product and all the information here. The CODNetwork call center is going to take it from here. They're going to call this lead in order to confirm the order, and then the order is going to be placed inside of your orders and so on. So this is how you connect your CODNetwork seller account to your Lightfunnels account. And soon we will have a CODNetwork affiliate app that works pretty much the same way in order to connect your CODNetwork affiliate account to your Lightfunnels account. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you soon.